In this video, we'll show you how to factory reset your Lenovo laptop without using the password or signing in. So for this, you will first need to shut down your Lenovo laptop completely. Once you have done that, plug the charger in so that the reset process isn't interrupted because of low battery. Next, you will need to boot your laptop into recovery mode. For that, you will first need to head to the login screen. Now in here, you will need to click on this power icon in the bottom right corner and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard. While holding the shift key, select restart and then select restart anyway. Now keep holding the shift key until your laptop enters recovery menu. So this might take a few seconds. You'll see this Lenovo logo. Once you see this blue screen, release the shift key. Now here you will first need to select this troubleshoot option. Now in here, select reset this PC. Now here you will see a couple of options. You can either go with clean install or you can reset while keeping your files. Now select local reinstall option as it's quicker. Finally, here select reset to confirm and wait for your Lenovo laptop to factory reset. This should take around 10 to 20 minutes, so be patient with the process. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.